So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to do something a little different, a little more casual, because it's hot and your girl didn't prepare like she usually does because it's hot. That's what hotness does to your girl. She doesn't like to do stuff. And we had a really busy week. We just got through filming Colorado's Grand Talent. That's premiering tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. And so it premieres tomorrow and voting starts tomorrow as well. So voting is open to the public. So if you would like to be involved in choosing our very first Can You Sing winner, definitely head over to coloradosgrandtalent.com to vote. Check out the First of all, before you vote, check out the episode, look at it, check the contestants out. And so voting is up to you. So yeah, I don't have to worry about that. But I will say this, it is tough competition. I am really amazed at the level of talent out of the contestants. Like, I am so glad I am not choosing. I mean, they are amazing. They are amazing. So I'm glad I don't have to choose. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to talk about something that came across my Facebook page. You know how memories, Facebook memories kind of like make you think about things? Sometimes they make you think about things that you were trying to forget. Like sometimes I'm like, hey, I was trying to forget that. Why are you bringing that up? But what my Facebook memory today actually brought up something that I love to remember. And it was when I produced Making a Difference dinner in Colorado Springs. And this event was a charity benefit dinner that brought in people from across the country to this event to hear Dr. Temple Grandin speak. We had other speakers as well. It was just an amazing event. But I say all that to say, I remember when I first came up with the idea for Making a Difference dinner, and I remember I forget exactly why I was going around to different businesses. I think I was competing in a pageant, and I was trying to get sponsors for that pageant. One of the businesses that I went to here locally, I had just kind of mentioned the idea that I really wanted to do a benefit dinner with 3-course meal and, you know, raise money for charity and that kind of thing. And I remember when I said that to this gentleman, he laughed at me. You know, it is what it is. I didn't really take offense to it, but I understand why he laughed, because at the time when I said that I wanted to do this event, I had no resources. Like, no financial backing. I didn't really know many people. I was new to the area. I was new to Colorado Springs. So for me, having like no resources and wanting to pull off this event was going to be a challenge. But I felt in my heart that I really wanted to do it. So I'm a big proponent for visualization and visualizing and speaking it into existence. And that's why I even mentioned it to this gentleman, because I just believe in, you have the power is within you, and you can make anything that you want come to fruition. You can manifest anything that you want. So at the time, I don't know if I believed that at that time when I was trying to do this event. I don't know if I truly believe that. I believe that now. Obviously, I talk about that in my book, You Choose Your Outfit. So I talk about it in my book, You Choose Your Outfit. So it's something I definitely believe at this present moment. I'm not quite sure if I believed it then. But I say all of this to say is that when you visualize and you see it and you believe it and you have unwavering faith that you can pull whatever you want to pull off, whatever it is, if it's an event, a career, love, whatever it is possible for you. You might not see how, you might not see the pathways or the avenues or the vehicle that's going to get you there, but it is possible for you. at that time when I said that I wanted to pull off this event, I had no resources. I had manifested other events that I created with no resources either. I had no clue how I was going to pull it off. However, I had the vision in my head. I would see it, I felt it, I imagined it, I felt all of the things that I would feel if it happened in real life. And almost I visualized it over and over again. I wrote it down in my journal. I scripted it out. And I did it so much that it felt real. Do you hear what I'm saying? It felt real. And I did it. I pulled it off. And a lot of people said to me, I don't see how you did this. And honestly, I don't see how I did it either. But I saw the end. I saw what I wanted. I visualized what I wanted to happen. I didn't worry about how I was going to finance it. I didn't worry about how I was going to get everyone to come. I didn't worry about all of those details. I saw what I wanted and I spoke it into existence, girlfriend. I spoke that stuff into existence. You hear what I'm saying? Anything is possible for you, whether it's love, whatever it is. And until this day, that was the most amazing event. And I still in my head I remember I was standing at the back of the room. It was a huge ballroom. I was standing at the back of the ballroom just looking at everything and taking it all in. You guys, like, when I was standing there looking at all the tables and all the people that were there and people laughing and smiling and enjoying themselves, I was like, this is what I envisioned. That's what I saw in my head. And it's like in reality right now. Always hold to the vision. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I think it's important to share stories like that with other people, because honestly, when I hear other people share their stories, that encourages me. It keeps me going. It's important that we share our stories, and I say this all the time. You know, there's so much power in our stories. So anyways, you guys, that is all for this video. I did want to share that with you guys. Like I said, Colorado's Grand Talent is premiering tomorrow. What is this? That's not tomorrow. Maybe. I mean, it's all how you look at it. We have some more projects coming up. And if you do not know, I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit. And that book is available on Kindle and on Amazon as well. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and gosh, you know, Girl Censored is just amazing to me. You know, like, outside of the clothing and our apparel, just the community of women that we built is just dope, for real. It's so dope. And like, I love to see, you know, it's crazy to me. Anyways, it's hot, you guys. It's hot. So we're about to go. It's not gonna make it not hotter, but I still need to do more stuff for the premiere tomorrow. So I will catch you guys in the next video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you don't, that's okay too. Anyways, until the next video, peace.